cold place in the northern glaciers. Penguins live, joyful everywhere. Small and cute, their feathers are bright. What they walk, dancing, never awkward. All together they gather and start to have fun. They climb onto the rock one by one. Suddenly they slide down fast, laugh and scream and they cheer up. Cute penguins are sliding in joy on the ice. They open their wings and feel the wind. They dance in the snow and find happiness. Sometimes in groups of 3, sometimes 5. They smile at each other while sliding. Even if they fall, they get up immediately. They start sliding again until morning. Sliding back to back is very fun. Every match ends or even more in winter. Their joy is always fun and on their aces. Snow falls, the weather is icy. The penguins don't feel the cold at all. Their energy never runs out, you know. Oh, 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 it's always evident. On now. Cute penguins are sliding in joy on the ice. They open their wings and feel the wind. They dance in the snow and find happiness. When evening comes, tired but happy, they return to the nest, always blessed. They know they will slide again down tomorrow. They fall asleep with sweet dreams.